Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. Going to take advantage of this beautiful afternoon here in March. Or wait, we're still February, aren't we? We're going to take up the RV-7. Right aileron, up elevator. Right aileron, or right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator. Right rudder, left rudder. Motor on. Got our timer set for 5 minutes. This is just a great little sport aircraft that I feel I'm really comfortable with this plane. I wasn't right off the bat, I guess because of small size. I'm running a 2700 4S inner, and she's just a great little plane. Let me get on the other side of the runway to where I'm more comfortable. We're going to bring the plane right by me here where you can see it. There we go. Got the flaps all the way down. This is an example of a plane that
time remaining 5 minutes.
When you go to lander, you got to keep some throttle. You can't just dead stick this plane. You gotta keep a little bit of throttle, otherwise you're gonna have some bounce. Not too much bounce there, a little bit.
Flaps up.
All right, let's do takeoff flaps this time.
Landing flaps.
One thing I like about this plane is it's got a great tail light, so helps you see whenever the light gets down. Let's do a nice low and slow pass with flyby here. Flaps are all the way down. Very nice presentation pass there, nice slow. Like I said, I'm running a 2700.
Flaps up.
Take our flaps out.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
There. Fast pass. All right, let's bring her in this time. Not much wind today. I'm going to do a no flap landing this time. Which, no wind, I really should use flaps, but I'm going to show. There we go. No flaps that time. Up, up, up. Cutting grass, cutting grass, cutting grass. All right. What that is, that's called aviation lawn care. That's what that is. Bye-bye, Mr. Calloway. There. That's just a fun little plane to fly, it really is. All right, let's try that landing in this direction again. This time with full flaps in. Oh, a little too much bounce there. I didn't have enough throttle.
Flaps up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right. Great little plane though. Great little plane.
Landing flaps.
You know what?
Flaps up.
I'll be honest, I like landing this thing without flaps. And I've gotten any more to where I like planes without using flaps at all. Just seem to have better luck without the flaps. I mean, I know flaps are there, they're fun. And I know I'm standing on the runway. We have such a problem with fire ants out here. And I know that's not an excuse. My perspective is better for me. But that's just me. Doesn't make it right. There we go. All right, we got 2.5 minutes. Let's take her off again. Now, if there were other pilots here, I wouldn't be on the runway. Mr. Calloway was here just watching me. But let's do a nice slow flyby here. Trying not to hit myself. All right, let's land from the other direction now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Trying not to blind myself. There we go. All right, let's do one more. You know what? We'll do takeoff flaps this time for landings. Just see if that, just to see. Just to see. Not too bad.
Flaps up.
And you know I had to. You knew I had to. You know I had to do it one more time. One more time. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the RV-7 Sport.
Motor off.
Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Folks, thank you so much for watching. I was running a 2700 3S or 4S in there. And that's the RV-7 Sport by E-Flite. Great plane. I highly recommend it for your first low-wing plane. And I will tell you this, it's a good plane. Very, very good flying plane, good characteristics, but you don't come in dead stick. You want to have a little bit of throttle, just like you do with a warbird or any low-wing plane. You're going to come in with some throttle. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, faith, family, friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.